Let's begin with next type of crops, that is fiber crops. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the four major fiber crops grown in India. The first three are derived from the crops grown in the soil. The latter is obtained from cocoon of the silkworm fed on the green leaves, especially mulberry leaves. Rearing of silkworm for the production of silk fiber is also known as sericulture. In the next slide, go through the uses of hemp, how the leaf of the hemp is used and how ropes are prepared from it, and n number of uses have been listed on the next slide. So just go through it. Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are the two states that have been allowed by the government. It's a government supervised cultivation of hemp in India. As per government regulation, hemp grown in India can be processed for fiber only. The extraction and processing of oil from seeds, buds, leaves is still considered illegal. The tough fiber of this plant is used for making rope and coarse fabric. Hemp is also known as marijuana when it is used as an intoxicating drug. There's a reason extraction and processing of hemp in our country is considered, it's regulated by the government, and extraction and processing of oil from seed, buds and leaves is not considered legal in our country. So this particular slide gives you information about what are the things that can be produced with the help of hemp. But currently we are only utilizing it for preparing for making fiber. Okay. Next fiber crop is cotton. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant. Cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. In 2016, India was second largest producer of cotton after China. Cotton grows well in drier parts of the black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. It requires high temperature, light rainfall or irrigation, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, then Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Quickly revised points of cotton. It's the main raw material for cotton textile industry, grows well in drier parts of Deccan Plateau, that is the black soil which is present over there, requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine, can grow. If rainfall is not present, then irrigation can be utilized. It is a kharif crop and requires 6 to 8 months to mature. In 2016, India was the second largest producer of cotton after China. Next fiber crop is jute. It is known as the golden fiber. Jute grows well on well-drained fertile soil in the floodplains where soils are renewed every year. So when we say floodplains and the soils which are renewed every year, it's the deltaic zone where most of the fast flowing rivers form their delta. Okay, so where the soils are renewed every year. Okay, so it's mostly the northeastern part and lower eastern part of the plains. All right, so high temperature is required during the time of growth of this jute. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya are the major jute producing states. So when you are going to write down a short note on jute, so West Bengal, Assam and Odisha are the main states. It should be listed in your answer. All right. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets and other artifacts. Due to its high cost, it is losing market to synthetic fiber and packing material, particularly nylon.